Mastering English Collocations. Verb plus noun combos in real-life contexts. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our series on advanced English vocabulary. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of collocations. Specifically, we'll focus on verb plus noun collocations and how you can practice them in context to bolster your vocabulary skills. So, let's dive in. Before we go any further, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what verb plus noun collocations are. In a nutshell, they are a pair of words that frequently go together and sound right to native English speakers. Examples include make a decision, do homework, or take a shower. The key to mastering these combinations is to practice them in context, and that's exactly what we're going to do today. Practicing collocations in context means using these word combinations in sentences or in conversation, rather than just memorizing them. This not only helps you to remember them, but it also helps you to understand when and how they're used. So, instead of memorizing "take a shower" as a phrase, you might practice it in a sentence like, I usually take a shower in the morning. Now let's get to the fun part, practice. We've compiled some common verb plus noun collocations and we'll be putting them into sentences. We encourage you to repeat after us, and then make your own sentences using these collocations. 1. Make a decision. John had to make a decision between two job offers. 2. Do homework. Sarah prefers to do her homework right after school, so she has the evening free. 3. Take a break. After studying for hours, I decided to take a break and go for a walk. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural these collocations will become. Once you've gotten the hang of these examples, challenge yourself by using these collocations in different tenses and contexts. For example, make a decision could be transformed into made a decision, making a decision, or will make a decision. Pushing yourself to use these phrases in various ways will deepen your understanding and fluency. That wraps up our deep dive into verb plus noun collocations. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident about incorporating these collocations into your English conversations. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. We'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!